Are you truly maximizing the rewards from your credit cards, or are you leaving money on the table? Today, we're diving deep into Rogers Bank's cashback program to answer the burning question, how much can you actually earn? It's easy to get lost in the sea of credit card offers, but Rogers Bank makes their cashback program surprisingly straightforward. There are two main cards to consider, the Rogers Red MasterCard and the Rogers Red World Elite MasterCard. Both have no annual fee, which is a huge plus. But the real value comes from being a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer. If you have an eligible service with one of these companies, you'll earn 2% unlimited cash back on all your eligible purchases. Non-Rogers customers will earn 1.5%. But here's the best part, where the math gets interesting. When you redeem your cashback towards eligible Rogers, Fido, or Shaw purchases, like your monthly bill, you get a 1.5x redemption bonus. This effectively boosts your earnings to a 3% cashback value. Let's put some numbers to this. A typical Canadian household spends around $30,000 a year. If you put all of that on your Rogers World Elite MasterCard and you're a Rogers customer, you'd earn $600 in cash back. Now, if you apply that full $600 to your Rogers bill, that 1.5x bonus turns it into a whopping $900 in value. That's a significant return, especially with no annual fee. But it gets even better. The Rogers Red World Elite MasterCard also offers 3% cash back on all eligible purchases made in US dollars. So for those who travel or shop online in the US, this is a major benefit that can help offset foreign transaction fees. Plus, there are other perks like 5 free roam-like home days a year with an eligible Rogers mobile plan, which can be worth up to $90. So, how much can you actually earn? It depends on your spending habits and your relationship with Rogers. But for an average Canadian family who is already a customer, the potential value from the cashback, the bonus redemption, and the travel perks can easily add up to hundreds of dollars a year. It's not just about a simple percentage, it's about stacking the benefits to maximize your rewards. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.